In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply blur effects in Canva. We'll walk through this together slowly, so even if you're new to Canva, you'll be able to follow along and get a nice professional looking blur effect by the end. First, open your design in Canva or create a new one from your homepage. Once your design is open, the very first thing you need to do is click on the image you want to blur. This could be a photo, a screenshot, or any graphic that you've added to your design. Make sure you actually select the image itself, not the background around it, or a text box on top of it. You'll know it's selected when you see a border or handles appear around the image. After you've clicked on the image, look towards the top of the Canva editor. You'll see a toolbar that appears whenever an element is selected. In that toolbar, find and click on the button labeled Edit. This button is usually near options like crop or flip, and it opens up more detailed controls specifically for the image you're working with. Once you click Edit, a panel will open, typically on the left side, or sometimes as a sidebar, depending on your screen size. In this panel, you'll see different tabs or sections. Now you want to go to the one called Effects. Click on Effects to bring up all the special image effects Canva offers. Inside the Effects section, you'll see different styles and tools that you can apply to your image. This is where you'll find blur-related options. In many Canva layouts, blur is included as part of the adjustment controls. So if you don't see a clear blur label immediately, look for options like Adjust within the same area. Once you see the blur slider or setting, you can start experimenting. Drag the blur slider to the right to increase the blur and soften the details of your image, or move it back to the left to keep things more in focus. Make small adjustments and watch how your design changes in real time. A subtle blur can be great for backgrounds behind text, helping your text stand out more clearly, while a stronger blur can be used to hide sensitive information or create a dreamy artistic look. When you're happy with how it looks, simply click outside the image or move on to the next part of your design. Your blur effect will be saved automatically as part of your Canva project.